finally arrived. Happy birthday to me. Even though it's late. I'm still going to enjoy it. So let's unbox it. It just arrived. And if you saw my birthday haul video, let me recap the story. Okay, I ordered this thing on December 3rd. It was supposed to arrive on or before December 10th. My birthday is December 11th. Today is December 16th. Okay? It arrived today. On December 15th, I called these people and said, hey, where's my package? And they said, well, we're going to have to open up an investigation because UPS hasn't picked it up. And I said, oh, Lord, I surrender. Okay? It's above me. But y'all better find my things, okay? Or I'm going to call American Express and just tell them that I did not get my package and to don't pay you or whatever. I don't know what I told them on the phone. Next day, the package shows up. So let's just open it because why are we waiting? I don't know. I will tell you now that I will not be setting this up because I just want to see what it looks like, girl. And then after that, later this weekend, I'll come back and we'll figure out what we're going to put in it. But this is my birthday gift that I bought myself because I buy myself nice things. And I did write a note to myself. Let me see what I wrote. Oh, yes, we can read it together. Happy 46th birthday. Another beautiful year awaits you, my love. Plan and prepare for all of your dreams to come true, even the ones that scare you a little. Remember, cattle on 1,000 hills. I love that. I love that for me. I wrote that to me, and it looks like somebody hand wrote it too, which is kind of nice. And it's on this Louis Vuitton embossed paper. So, yep, that was in there. Now let's look at it. Now, for those of you who guessed what kind of planner I was going to get, and you guessed like Filofax and stuff, those were good guesses. Like, I was definitely looking for another vintage Filofax. I was also looking for a vintage Chanel. Probably gonna get the vintage Chanel if I see another one that's in better condition than what I saw, because it wasn't that much compared to this. And yeah, let's see. Okay, this is the box. I don't know what this is. Oh, I want to show you something else too. It came with a bag. You can like ask to have a bag, and this is the bag. Now listen, y'all, my sister, who buys all these luxury things all the time, she put me onto something because I normally throw these things away. I don't want to keep clutter in my home. But we went to Fendi a year and a half ago, whatever, and she was like, yeah, keep your bag. And I was like, well, she was like, you can sell it on Poshmark. What? People are buying these bags? She was like, yeah, $25, $30. Folks will buy your bags. So you will be seeing this on Poshmark. Because I don't need it, girl. I don't need this bag. I'm not going anywhere where I need to take this for any reason whatsoever. I don't need it. But it is cute. I thought about maybe I can make a dashboard out of it, but if I try to do that, I'm going to lose the L and the N, so it's not really going to work. I mean, I could do this part or this part. I don't know. Tell me in the comments, what would you do? Like, I would love to sell this. If somebody wants to give me $25, $30 for a bag, they can. And I have a Fendi one too that I didn't throw away. So I think I'm going to put them on Poshmark if I can't figure out how to do. Oh, you know what I could do? Oh, you know what I could do? I could make a folder. I can make a folder. Like, it'll be in the middle and then like a pocket folder. You know, I might do that. Tell me what you would do. Would you make a folder for your planner, or would you sell it on Poshmark? Anyway, that's the bag. It really is cute. Let's just throw that over there. And let's get in here. Oh, look at that. Will you look at that? It's like a button. Anyway, yay. And I don't usually keep my boxes either. I'm so terrible, y'all. Because I feel like if I buy something for myself, I'm going to put my name on it, literally, stamp it, and I'm not going to sell it. So I don't need the box. Although this is a good box for, like, this is a good size box for storing things, I guess. I could probably store planner inserts or something in here. Anyway, that's that. Let's get this. Oops, sorry for the shake. Let's put this over here. And let's see what we got. Y'all already know what it is. You already know what it is. Friend, it is a Louis Vuitton MM Agenda. And it feels like plastic. Sorry, I'm such a leather snob. If you've been around here. But this is really, smells like chemicals. This is really nice. I just wanted it in my collection, girl. I don't feel any kind of way about any of these things. I think they're nice things. I just wanted it in my collection because I collect ring binders. I prefer vintage, but I wanted this one just because, you know, for your birthday, there's no reason. There's no rhyme or reason. You can get whatever you want. So it has a pocket here, and then it has all of these slits for cards. So I thought this would be really good to do my whole wallet planner duo. And then it has this big pocket back here. You know, let me check the rings. The rings are all, this one, yeah. This one, oh, they're fine. They're fine. Now I did see, not for this one, but for the PM, the pocket size one, people switching out the rings. You know what I don't like about this? I don't like, yeah, I like it. It's fine. It's a nice planner. I'm happy to have it. I'm happy to have it, but you know, I'm not over the moon about certain things. And luxury items don't send me over the moon, or whatever you want to call this. And I'm not going to baby it. Like, I'm going to throw it in my bag. I'm just not that girl. But it is nice, though. It's a nice size. It's a nice size. It feels like vinyl, which is so strange to feel after you're feeling like beautiful vintage leather. I'm like, do I have a planner nearby? I don't have a planner nearby. I put them all away. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using in 2020. The little popper. I really wish everybody can feel these things in person, because I know we get online and we do these unboxings and stuff, and people are like, ooh and you just feel like, yeah, it's a planner. It's a binder. It's nice. This was quite expensive. It was about $855, and Louis Vuitton has been increasing their prices slowly but surely, because at the beginning of the year, I saw this for like $705. I don't know how I feel about that, but again, I feel like if this wasn't a birthday gift, I wouldn't buy it. I feel like my birthday is the only time of the year where I'm like, it doesn't even have to make sense. And you don't even have to, like, it's just do whatever you want. I save the money up all year, and then I decide what I want. And yeah, I really do like it. I can't wait to use it and see what it, you know, what it's giving. And I think I was moving too quickly. I thought I had put my initials in my order, but I didn't. And I like to have my initial embossed on things just because it's mine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this with me to New York next week, because the bestie is going to get me the PM, because I like a good matching set. I like a good matching set. Like, y'all, if you've been around here enough, you know I like a good matching set. So I'm going to get the little one to as my wallet, and then this as my planner. And yeah, this is what we're going to start the top of the year off in. Let's see something real quick. This is not a setup. This is not a setup. A setup video. But these are the vintage inserts that I got from the Goodwill. I know what you're thinking. Those of you who came over here for the luxury item. What do you mean Goodwill? You shop at the Goodwill? Yes. I love secondhand. I like nice, you can find nice things anywhere. So this I got in a planner that was leather, by the way, for $1.99. Leather planner and these. And I'm going to use these inserts in my planner for 2026. And I know what you're thinking. How did you find inserts for 2026 at the Goodwill in a vintage planner? Math. Every 30 some years, the calendars sync up again. So this is from 1997, friend. Actually, no, it's from 1998, right? 1998 has the same exact calendar as 2026. Listen, I don't make the rules. I'm just favored, highly favored. God loves me. So I found this for $1.99, and look how beautiful that is. Nobody is going to have my planner inserts because unless you know anything about this company, I don't. But yeah, look at those. I got some, I got my monthlies, and it's like a perfect match. I mean, I found this at the Goodwill earlier in the year, back when I was on the fence about am I saving for this planner or not. But look how perfect that matches. That looks so good. This looks so professional. I'm still going to add all of my craziness to it. But I got my monthlies. I got weeklies. I got, what else I got in here? I got weeklies. I got some important dates. I got country codes. Got airline. I got birthdays and anniversaries. So this can be like for birthdays and anniversaries or future planning. I got area codes. What else we got in here? I could take this out. I don't need that. I got to-do lists. All right. Got a lot of those. I got some paper. Nice good old, I got graph paper. And I got dailies in here. Dailies. So, and I have these top tabs. So I am set for 2020. Look at that. Look at that. Who's messing with me? Nobody. Old and new. You got to put it together. High, low. High, low. Okay. You know what's going to drive me crazy about this thing? How it like curves. It's just... It probably costs 50 cents to make this thing. We are so dumb. I'm right there with you, girl. Out here doing stupid stuff. Like spending $800 on a piece of canvas. You know, God is still working with me. But anyway, this is my birthday gift. And I'll get part 2 when I get to New York next week. And it's going to be so cute to have 2 of them. A big one and a baby one. Okay, we're going to go now. But I will do a setup and we will start to put some of our things in here. Like our side tabs. Our, I don't really have to put much in here. I just have to add my side tabs. Look at the pages are already a little dusty, but that's okay because I got it from the Goodwill. And then add some decor and stuff just to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. But that's it. I'm not really going to do much here. I wish I had my other planner so you can see what I do with it. I don't have it. I don't have it near me. I thought I had it near me. Oh, I do. So This feels so nice, right? Isn't it nice? It's so nice. But like, I'm gonna add my little fun stuff to it, because I mean, I am not that girl who is going to have minimalist stuff in here. It's gonna be a wild time, because that's why I love the planners. I love the rings so much. We're gonna have colorful things in our planners, right? Useful things, pictures, photos, all this stuff I have to move over. Did I just show you my address? No, I showed you Apple. So I will be moving some of this stuff over. I'm so excited to move in. I'm so excited. Now I can actually work on my setup. It was so hard to like try to work on the setup in here when I'm like, no, but I'm gonna be in another planner. And look at the size difference. I mean, these things are really interesting to me. I mean, it's okay. I like it. I like it. It's okay. Should you spend this money on it? I don't know, girl. I can't tell you what to do with your money, but I'm saying that there's some really great planners on the market for a fraction of the cost. That's all I have to say. But anyway, keep loving luxury. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.